Meet the jeweled cockroach wasp. Her iridescent body stands out brightly against the forest floor, though the purpose of her bright coloration is not known. This cockroach is exactly what she's been looking for. It's much larger and stronger than she is. Nevertheless, she attacks. She won't kill it, she wants it alive. First, she injects it with a venom that paralyzes its front legs. This prevents it fighting her off. She leads her victim to an underground burrow. Here she'll lay her egg directly onto the cockroach's body. She conceals the burrow's entrance with leaf litter. This will stop other predators finding the cockroach or her larva. The larva spends 5 days sucking the cockroach's body fluids. Then it will burrow inside and begin to feed. It eats the least essential parts first and saves the nervous system and the breathing system for last. And for all that time, the cockroach is alive and powerless to respond. Over a period of weeks, the larva continues to grow and develop, ready to repeat the gruesome cycle for itself.